Hi, I am Dr. Aslıcan Çakalkurt. I am specialist in underwater and hyperbaric medicine. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy has been used around the world for many years, and its indications is growing steadily. This treatment increases oxygen levels in the blood and tissues, and it supports healing in many different conditions. The treatment takes place in a pressurized chamber where patients spread 100% oxygen at high pressure. We use hyperbaric oxygen therapy for a wide range of conditions, including wounds after operations and in graft tissues. It works by many different mechanisms like speeding up wound healing, supporting hypoxic tissue circulation with oxygen, reducing swelling, and helping the body fight infections more effectively. Recently, we have also been seeing more patients who come in after aesthetic or cosmetic procedures and hair transplantations. In such cases, hyperbaric oxygen therapy exerts a beneficial effect against complications and can really help improve healing. Of course, safety is our big priority. The treatment materials should be personalized and properly disinfected. Wishing you good health and well-being.